kuna ngoma leya Autopia pia wayitiva
wafta ya mama na masa ani arkona la wafta ya mama
ya wamwina
ani arkona mina wafta ya mama wangitsundzuka rejoined ari da he was part of that group yeah
so wangumali kubekelwa
kai
ka cover
ya Autopia pia
rangweni
ani arkona
Libonile yin'wana ka Zakishin libone va xewetiwa hi
mjani Mr. Mdag kamera ila mjani Mr. Mdag pukini
phela ngoma leya phela
akropa WhatsApp okropa
upropa kwala mi
la ku katitimela ai fami senda audio leya utwa ku rino akujini I wanna make you sweat
Mana hina eka Xitsonga Gang Podcast Network. Hi Ravumbirhi rin'wana na rin'wana evhikini hafu ku bile awara ya 12. Mi nga kayeli leswi. Hi swi twini mi swi twini. Hi mi tisela to hisa kumenemene na mavarivari eka Gaza. Kasi Ravumune ra vhiki na vhiki hi mi khomele mbulavulo wa leti na letiya. Hi ya emahlweni hi dyondzisa hi hlohlotela no hlayisa ndhavuko wa Xitsonga xerhu. Twanani la sonta rin'wana na rin'wana Ravumbirhi en'hwetini hi ku ya hi vhiki hi ku phamela swakudya swa tindleve evunangeni hi mbulavulo wa tiqambi teru na eximoyeni hi pfuxelela vupfumeri ni mbulavulo seketela rhandza u tlhela u avelana na van'wana ntsena eka Xitsonga Gang Podcast Network.
Okay, minjhani Matsonga machangana magaza lama kona hinkwako namuntlha is the battle of beard.
oh yeah
So swi vheti komba ku mana fostela ku ka hina hi nga lawani ma fostela ku malevu
nkombe ku homa eka nkombe kusuka loko na swo ku mhaka leyi ta ka mina leyi
ekosa ama mina
nkombe ku homa
sungule episode ne
vaisala se va phikizana hi mali ya vende mami Matsonga
ero
ntomela
ai ku tomela
ntomela ni famba
loko la moto ndaya kona ta ku saka ku ri na wa no amamkela from la nga kona hinkwako swo sungula before ya mahlena episode ne please like subscribe and tell your friends ikona ka YouTube that's what we drop episodes so la kun'wana ka vo TikTok Facebook hi la hi dropa kona tithelela ta hina na ti link ku ri mi ya watch so swilo mi swi kuma fast ka vo TikTok na vo Facebook na vo Instagram and then the full episode mi kuma ka YouTube via those links and then again hina WhatsApp number ikona ka lungena ka YouTube mi ko lungena ka Facebook ka TikTok if you have anything you can just text that number ka WhatsApp and then again supporters page ka WhatsApp na kona drop the link and everything and whatever that we're gonna be doing as drop it so just follow us tell us kahle ngopfu DJ
and then another thing vafanele ku va nga xirivali you welcome artist yin'wana na yin'wana any artist leyi yi twaku ingaku yi la ku ta yi ta vulavula hi yona va welcome anyone I choose guru loyi u dumile anga dumangi or loyi imani anyone who I feel like ungaku you wanna come and talk about your music journey you wanna come and talk about yourself you are welcome to come and another thing I want to remind vahlaleri va hina aka segment leya hina ayizondi munhu a hi vengi munhu a hi na xihlawuhlawu hi la ku ta hlela vunanga bya Xitsonga bya ti-artist ta hina ta Matsonga and also ku invite that artist leti ti lavaka ku vulavula hi tona ku ti ta vulavula so you are welcome guys just come and talk to us and namuntlha hina as you said ku ri ingaku namuntlha ku phikizaniwa hi malevu anyway mina ni losing
lava nga na malevu hayi lava first
yeah anyway mina losing and ano loser hi mhaka ni lo loser hi ku mina swa ku hangalaka hi swi rhandza
mara va tshama nga ndakala
mamina
Karla Marniga.
wa swi tiva ku swi control-iwa na yini?
Kame mzima mlangwa ni gross.
And then la ku zama ku repa ku fana.
George ku na nghoma leya autopia wa yi tiva
Wa swi tiva ya mamani masa a ni nga ri kona la wa swi tiva ya mamani
Ya won'wina.
a ni nga ri kona mina wa swi tiva ya mamani wa n'wi tsundzuka rejoinder a ri da he was part of that group yeah.
So wangu ali ku bekelwa ka nani?
Kayi
Ka cover.
ya autopia
Ai,
a ni nga ri kona
ya wina.
va rejoinder ya vafana mi se a ni humini ka hip hop loko se vandla leswiya a ni humi kaya
Kena xikwembu movie. Chavisa.
nkarhi wun'wana a ni ha hlamusela timhaka ta malevhu ti control-a na hi ku u na nsati na yeah
Yeah.
so swilo swo tala leswi n'wanuna a swi endlaka
Yeah.
swi include na nsati ku ri wa swi rhandza or a nga swi rhandzi
Va go controller wa more. Tava shapu aiso.
swi na ndyangu wo control-wa hi nsati na nde
Ne.
anyway today where's my camera namuntlha hi na misa wun'wanyana ne I've been searching his music ne this guy is very good u good hi ndlela liya ya ku loko wo n'wi yingisela u nga n'wi yingiseli hi ndleve ya xikazi you will think is not one of us u understand voice ya yi different amagazini na music lowu ndlaku wu different amagazini I've listened to his music na le ka hip hop u kona
Yes.
likompo u kona
Yes.
mapiano u kona xigazini u kona so
I think Afrobeat ne.
yeah I can say he's a versatile artist I came here today ne na loko ni nga ri vuli kahle u ta ni lunghisa I came here today
Mashango vota ku K-Murder.
yeah a ni ri hina hi ngeni vo basopa high school white disease
Chava ku pasa hi
chava ku pasa high school u kuma ku yena u ngenile vo
Curo, you get me.
vo Curo vo ST Johnson
Exactly.
I understand
That's like ST ana ingena ngona. I find a saint.
whatever I'm getting for
No, Xitsonga.
we've been waiting for you
No, guys.
for nkarhi wo leha yeah we've
Yeah,
been waiting
I
for you
did. I did see that episode. Simka.
yeah
Yes.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I didn't got a comment, but I was. I'm answering over.
Yeah.
At least there's a platform because it's equal.
Yeah.
They do recognize Ntrolonu and Jack. So I'm assuming you can for opportunity.
Yeah.
So before he sungula kahle la kumbasa ngonyela yako yi ri right with rangwana kumbe.
No, okay. No, what about the right? Yeah.
Okay. So okay.
Nah, it's not the main that they want it's ayak it's look music. Yeah, it's tingoma to tala ne before ninja swami and not feature of that chorus for instance.
Yeah.
So people would like send me beats or kumbela ku ifakela chorus. So sisukela ku like every hook that I've recorded or that I've made for other artists answer man hope or this is
I mean meta.
so I am for K you kill over
Oh yeah.
yeah made of hooks.
Yeah, so hey, I phela loko ku ri K killer a swi ta va hi ndlela yin'wana.
Yeah, no, nah.
ka music video liya ya ngoma liya va ri happiness
Yeah.
kuna kun'wana fika ka undersign yo yaliya oh okay
A ku dlawa
dlayiwa happiness
so loko hi sungula kahle ne
Yeah.
mhlambi timhaka ta ku vitirisa kwini but ku na munhu un'wana la a tivaku K-Murder ne mara a nga swi tivi ku K-Murder i mani swi taniya ku ri i suka kwini ku fana na mina a lava ku mi hembela a ni swi tivi khale ka ni swi ta ku mi kona ne I know your music mara vu ni tsakisa hi ndlela yaliya so loko at least hi swi ta ku ku na yena mani before music after music loko munhu a hlangana na n'wina va hlangana na mani
No, government vantiva ka government ne
Yeah.
pass vantiva ku ni nteveka as khutso from muti
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, Khutso Theron Mutipi, Uma Tsanini.
Okay.
Tsanini, there's right side or outside of Tsanini, kuna this small village, Baibitana Kujuana village.
Which one?
So
Kuna Brian mine hala Kujwani.
serious,
Yeah. Mfano wa DJ, yeah. Mr. Boy.
Mr. Boy Uma Kujuana.
Yeah.
Because unless if maybe there's a different name, because I know almost everyone in Kujuana,
Ne?
especially if it's a DJ or
Ndakukomba picture here tam.
So yeah, yeah, Theron Khutso Mutipi. Utswaleriwa emgangeni wa Kujuana village, yabona? So that's right side, outside of Tsanini. So Theron Khutso Mutipi ne munhu n'wana nga kulela esontweni kerekeni.
Okay.
Ne.
Yeah, so I was brought up by my grandma. So my grandmother was a woman of faith. Akuri munhu n'wana kuranza sonto too much. So kusukela buntsongwanini bya mina ni kulele ekerekeni from Sunday school to joining male choir ni vani karhi ya mahlweni, right? So it's a lot, ne? I'm just trying to not to mix up everything. So Theron Khutso Mutipi, hey, how do I put this? So this question is not about music, ne? It's just personal. Or personal. So yeah, so Khutso Theron Mutipi, because there's just a lot of personal things that I don't know if ever it's good for me to disclose or not.
No. It's just like you don't want to disclose some of the things. It's okay. The real name.
That was enough, ne?
Unless but that was enough. Let's say for example, Jojo. Akani. Mara, let's say cameraman. Mara music. Mara cameraman. So if national blog one was Eva. Okay, lawyer, divorce. Even then, one long divorce. Oh, okay, I can go to K. So if there is, but if there isn't,
it's enough, ne? So yeah, for now, I will just stick to that. Then not give out like a lot of information unless if ever maybe I want to question it. Yeah.
I think logon check in for the questions later. I did a follow up at this moment. He answered a lot of questions. You answered a lot of questions. So mina since you explained you came here the yeah. So I want to know when since the name came here the itumbulukile. Also realize right now, say now enter music as my career or a side hustle if it's a side hustle.
I think it started. I've been making music for over a decade now. Susungule high school. So I could record,
yeah.
But because of Andre, like I said,
Yeah.
So she so from Sunday school
Yeah.
So but I was not sure Sunday school start reflector to whatever that I'm doing right now. So I go Sunday school, and then Sunday school I had an uncle as well. My uncle DJ.
Okay.
So uncle Arna, he owned a thing, a desktop.
Yeah.
That's Khalid, yeah. So Arna this thing, not Fruit Loop, man. Arna visual DJ.
Okay.
So because Andra a bit curious, how do these people make these sounds and stuff like that?
Yeah.
So lupa visual DJ.
Okay.
Lupa and dampa disc. Then then until in a later stage where I met people where I come from, like Tamata Wateri, Aterka music, Abanja music. So but never come back music so from 2010 Nisungule enter instruments.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a beat maker, producer as well. So from 2010 Nisungule went the instrument, but then I didn't have a microphone. So I would just make instruments and then yeah. So then metric then Nisungula could record. record abantu bangwana, but just mostly record abantu bangwana. Record abantu bangwana, and then passed matric 2012, then I went to college. And that's when I had like enough time to actually like focus on music. So I would say from 2012, that's where I realized, oh no man, this thing, I do have a potential.
Yeah.
And this thing could lead me to somewhere. But also because I was raised by my grandma, I was also forced to make her proud. So I make sure while I'm doing music, and then I did this electrical engineering. So I make sure at least because of she's using her last penny to make sure the room, so ninge focus too much on music, and then ni slack because of akuna mali ngata huma kona. So I had to make sure at least nyana esikolweni nako ni nenja something. So and then I did that, and then she was proud, and then after doing that ni completed the electrical, and then nisukela niya then focus on music, which was 2016. I was fully into music, but then music now, you know, it's difficult. But then I think 2012, then that's when I was like fully invested. But also I make sure when I studies as well, so that I can have something to fall back on, because music is not guaranteed. 2016, then I was fully until now.
Okay. So nkateko na kunyika information yin'wana fanele ku yi tiva ne. This episode namutlha la ku tshame ti engineer.
Yeah.
Host, co-host, guest, ku tshame ti engineer la hi mashaka. Ti engineer ti nga tshama.
Electrical engineers.
I vanhu va gezi. Hi kwini na hi nga la
Ni address loyi a nga tshama la.
Twa lexi xi ri na wena. Okay. So ku hlanganyeta ndilo. Hey, like na va honya ku mic. So madala akutsa okay. Ka music ne. Is there any specific moment when you look back ne? Nisibona ku nyika engineer kuloni. So kuna moment li loko
Awungayiveka la.
anongombrang ngati beats ne. And then okay, visual DJ, and then beat making, production side. And then kota ku kurana that vocals. Was there a moment like something like maybe Shendrega so I think music is my thing. I think right now no fan tell me serious. Do you remember any specific moment? Oh yeah. I think let me do it. Maybe from band, but but you're good, or maybe no, but even the end of blow up, I'm gonna go, no man, I can do this.
Let me see. You know, beside ku ako na momento ako ni feeling ako I can do this ne. It was more about how it made me feel, how singing, and before recording how singing, because I would sing while taking a bath, and I embedded it because of I was part of a male choir, you know what? So I would sing like all the time. So it was more about how the music made me feel, but it was not more about how talent, because man has won this year so come not express and how it made me feel, right? So what I can say is that for me to take it serious, it was because of how it made other people feel, like how my singing made other people feel, like because music ne or music creators, we're more like doctors or psychologists or more like healers. Right? What I sing about, man, so I'm a very respectful person. So whatever that I sing about, she na impact advice for whatever that you're going through, you're not alone, you understand? So for me it was more about that. No, this thing that I'm doing, because we used to sing as male choir, we used to sing Mkosin. So Mkosin, you know, bro, like it's very sad. It's very it was very sad. So we used to go around singing Mkosin. So I saw how it made people feel and react Mkosin, which is a place where baba said. So just being able to like for a moment it made me feel that, oh no, whatever that I'm doing, it's, it's a purpose.
Yeah.
So Shikwembu, maybe she get this gift for me to do that. You understand?
Preach.
So I don't know when Shamule answer. Yeah. So it was like that.
Yeah, you already explained. I can say you explained masungulelo mawe ma music and all that. Usungula kuba more focused ka music. You said it was 2016.
Yeah.
So from that year until, okay, let me say from that year, during that stage, shaku sungula kuba more focused.
Yeah.
I wanna understand, or I wanna know what challenges unga hlangana na tona. Like, I can give an example. Kuna the challenges to fana na the promotion side. Kumba ku music wa wena outlang ka radio and you want the music to play on radio. Ukumako, you approaching the event organizers about taking and all that. So I wanna know if you had such challenges lokwa wa kusungula ku endla music.
Yo, yeah, I would say even now, Dee Roka, even now, hey, satikanyana ku kumati event, or kumati gig, or kumati, airplay.
Yeah.
Satikanyana, and I think ko stick sa magaku. If ever you're what pusher, you are independent. You don't have information. But now at least kuna YouTube, and you also have access to data and at least. But then back then, 2016, na phone, na your phone. Yeah, amarar na yo marasi. That's I chupanyana. Right? This is I got magaya make seat na sunga.
Music YouTube.
That's a file host.
Yeah. I
That's a file host.
That's
a file host. The nasli kanyana la na wa SoundCloud nyana mara. SoundCloud it was more Western. So I dealing with in data file host. Right? This is so I think not being exposed to like information, but I can't say that now. Like when we were studying, like 2016, like that's how I panyana information. Could make it simple. So fortunately for those who had like our national so fana so the that's and thing. By utilize and then by my information, but know from here register and go from or this is so. Look, Limpopo, I was doing kuna Samro, kuna Isa, kuna why this is. So those things you don't know, and then also admit and go radio. They want those things. Why this is. So on the site, the airplane. I think because of not being exposed to such information and not having the resources that who extracted that information, so it was difficult. But now it's better. Now you can like go through YouTube and see how things are done. In terms of the events, I was part of a crew. So we were 8. So I was the one who was producing, making hooks, and then I would just call guys, come in and put in verses. So go perform. I go perform you. I go perform you at the tavern. I go perform you, but then. Butomi direction. Right? This is because of after that, I had 8. After that, like I think 6 of those people say they went different ways. But one of the IT technicians, some of the teachers, some they one because of our skotang abazanga wana tisela loko go vele what is this about music kungaba something nisha kushinga banga hanya show what is this but then mina I kept going so going back to his question because the event I don't want to lie to you, if I will messy ngoma you don't trend or you don't make buzz akuna munhu angata book and it's understandable. You can't hate on event organizers because of your music might be good, music ongawori sharp ku munhu angathama uyingisela what is this awutlanga kantwini mara for the event is it gonna sell? Is it gonna make people buy booze? Is it gonna make people dance? Or is this naso account? So my music it was not more of that. Like wabana like leta ku
weekend so
I got music one just like cause I was like the person who like I said earlier on I try to heal. I try to what is this give out information and understand and advices as well. So because of that, ne, I feel that site, that event, yeah, it's not disadvantage and so on. But in a long run, ne, the one is important because me when the music will last for the next coming, I don't know, man, forever. Music it's forever music. It's not the thing you it trend na no good I train go mami, but I know you can always come back after 5 years and listen, and the song will still be relatable, will still be relevant, will still make sense. So I think because of that, Mr. Roka, because of the fact that I make this type of sound, or because of my writing, it's that way. Yeah, that's also a disadvantage, ne? And also because of the way I sound. Some people they don't think you like you said, I'm one of their own. I think this one maybe is too cheesy or this is so it becomes a problem. They feel like, oh, you're not raw. Because if you're coming from the dusty places, you're supposed to sound like dust. Like you understand? And I mean, my mentality was not like that. It was, I wanted to be on a global status. Music international.
Yeah.
So, and also, I was more focused on Afrobeat.
Okay.
I was rapping, then rapping is one of whites. So my fashion then was more like Afrobeat, because Afrobeat is for everyone. And then this one I go know, like I had friends around, and this one I go know, man, she guys, I'm not sure you understand? And because I'm half Pedi and Tonga. My father is a Tonga, and then my mom is a Pedi. So I was more like on the Pedi side, but then I met one Bokfana Bushes man. Understand? So then they were like, they introduced me to because Tiny Nish Gaza is not like, it's not as we dominate our monada.
Yes. Yeah.
So then I met these guys like La Jopek, then Bauma Bunka Bungeni, that side.
Okay.
So one introduced like a sound there. Gaza. And she Gaza and she is about Thomas Jauga from way back. But because of like in terms of like making, I'm because of I don't wanna sound like a bad person. But I feel like Chineshi, the reason why I didn't feel like I could do Gaza is because I felt like but now things have changed. I felt like she like it's peak Yash Gaza. Okay, when I would come and then it's done. There's nothing to it. But then it's just changing. Like I see what guys like Metro and Jojo, and they're getting signed to Sony. Hopefully that's gonna expose them to international level. You understand? So yeah. I don't know.
And I think she guys at that time. I share now and Vasho. Because people were focusing only 3 artists that big that recorded
by that time.
Only 3 artists. But to say kusungula kungena abangwanyana. I think ila ungasungula kutumbuluka bo Mr. Post. Yeah. Understand? No, I get your point. But it's fine.
Yeah,
Mr. K, mfano ngambala ishnoro budget lo shokala maboko.
Yeah.
Mr. Mdaka, iri wanong tana Gaza Bosch.
No,
wa uchati ya utwa. Every time ring.
No, I'm a big fan of his. I know. I watch you guys all the time. I see him. I like
Langa keyboard again. So logo tlanga every time. Langa ko
so good tight.
Maramoya kona auto so anbanbala.
Le bonene one ka Gaza Kitchen. Le bonene ba show to yi.
Mjani Mr. Mdaka. Camera ila mjani Mr. Mdaka. Hey, fukini. Mara no gongo wadne. Look, okay. Look, also so and masona kuka music mtinja. You know the difficulties that ngakwa music. If you were to tell your younger self, ne?
Yeah.
Now I do music with the technology and everything ngakwa so. I'm the singula nja. Let's say there's someone who's watching, or like an artist. I'm love kwa singula fana ngwina because there are no resources. If you were to tell your younger self, okay, when I do music right now, how do you do it?
Hey, info. Music, ne? It's just the artist itele, bra. Itele too much.
Yeah.
Itele, and also, ne, I think you go for whoever who wants to try and make music, ne? Fana go to Xitsonga why? Fana go to why you enter music? Because sometimes you enter music because of Munuanu makarona enter music. You understand? you won't go far. You won't last because of you don't have the drive.
Yeah.
I was still going to music. Right? This is so first of all, I think it's important to know why I enter music. Right? This is so first try to figure that out. Why enter music? Right? This is and then secondly, I got this staging I can show with AI and it's difficult. So the advice that I could give to anyone who's trying to make music, instead of trying to be the one who wants to be on the spotlight, try and create platforms like this.
Yeah.
You see this platform? Like I think we have like guys, I don't know how many artists we have,
Yeah.
It's a lot,
Yeah.
And all those artists, we are all looking for a platform that's gonna showcase our talent. No one is thinking of creating those platforms. If 10,000 it's only maybe that's what.
I think it's good.
Ah,
Got like 5.
10,000
Why this is-
artists, yeah.
So what you guys are doing here now, it's very important. Trust me. So I would say, let's try and try to be more innovative. I mean, and create the platform that we push talent yo. Right? This is so I would say, instead of trying to be in the spotlight, as I mean, you know, and try and have more people in the behind scenes.
Push up.
Push up field. What is this? So that's what I would say. And artist, artist, especially when it's a waste of time. I don't know. I don't know.
And that's what I think it is there.
Yeah, because of
so
it's all about like trendy music. It's not about unless if you know music, it's gonna, like I said earlier, it can make the next person feel different, or maybe if ever I get to something bad.
I feel like, okay.
I think no man.
Play
You
that
know,
song. There's hope.
this guy is he's advising me not to do this. He's telling me go. So melele wena or one so
Yeah.
fana music wakhala awuri music waku
Hey.
what is
it
Thomas.
was wrong.
like if you are in a marriage and then this is how you these things happen.
Yeah.
So as we don't have people who dish out such information. So why when the music? That's the problem.
Hey, me right. I'm being said about slides.
So that's why that's why it's very important to music. Unless if you just want to make money. Yeah, I know you have to eat at the end of the day. Mara at least wanna have
a drive.
yeah.
Okay, no, look, explaining that time, you mentioned something. One ukandili something, an influencer in Wayani Gaza or an event organizer
Yeah.
Gaza. So if you wanna get bookings, for no buy it. And that guy utamaka zubulo. What are you coming to do? You understand? So but the artist not allowed to stay on. I never believe a music one. Right. Understand. So, but yeah, going forward, I want to know, you have a different sound. I can say you have a different sound, Kamachanga. So, how can you describe your sound? Let's say someone comes to you and say, music different from the artist like how do you describe your own sound?
I wish I had watched maybe one of your. I did watch a lot of your interviews before, so I wish I wish I had watched one of your interviews. Maybe go an artist it's my influencer like different sounds. So I don't know again that side me influencer music wanja.
Yeah.
Apart from Shgaza, Shabat Thomas,
Yes.
so me inside I was influenced by Shgaza Shgaza Thomas. I was influenced by music wa Brenda Fash.
Okay.
Our uncles will come back from Joburg in December. We're at the CD. Probably the first one to Mafikizolo, but then there's people before that. Kunaba Chico Chwala. Kuna Cosme Ngene Ngena Zexisi. So I was influenced also by.
So I'm not like
Oh, that sound.
No, like sound. Like I do have sound there with. It will tell you like this guy is like from. Right, this is. So I was also influenced by
My bed company.
those ones, they started. I do make that sound as well.
Yeah.
Those ones they started like what's
This one,
yeah, I make current Rukenjane. So what bad company was this? About Westlife and also by Joe Thomas. So having to be surrounded by that, having to be fed, you know, that different sound, all of those, ne? She like without knowing what store like
Yeah.
So sukule uzama create something yourself.
Yeah.
Like all those elements that all those things that you've been consuming, was channeled kusuba nchumo one. So me sound that it's influenced by that. I would like to believe it's influenced by that. I've been consuming different sounds. So senja kumjuzu kwamuba until limit like anything.
So in other way, you're saying, out of all those sounds, you could mixa
and then
you created your own.
like
Yeah.
take a piece 10% of this, then 10% of this, and 10% of this, and then maybe 20% from the western, and then zama mix you know, our traditional side as well.
Yeah.
And then take another share, and that's when we mix and then that's why nchume one. I mean that the way meant to succeed so. Not the way they made it to succeed so.
Yeah. And phela abantu botala very Chris Brown wakagazi.
Another what's
Lots of very the way you sing, ne? It's she now R&B with Alan, and she hala ka song yabo Chris, Justin Bieber and everything.
Another what's about criticize or machanga or the end like Chris Brown now.
Yeah, I think I know we're gonna criticize because of and if maybe there's a part there if maybe there's a song, a whole song there when and then it sounds like Chris Brown, and then I wouldn't feel bad for one to criticize me. But I try to take the rhythm, the Western rhythm, and then
Okay.
So I don't think you see it's bad.
No, it's not bad.
And it goes back to saying just because of Noma, just because I'm Noma village, it doesn't make me sound that.
Yeah.
Because nagu music I mean I need to go in you have to enjoy the rhythm. Like like maybe Netherlands or somewhere else. If they're listening, I don't hear this guy, but like whatever that is, you know, it sounds nice. It's not kumbanya. No, this is
all right. I say that the ngoma tale Nigeria.
I do, but then because of,
for example, ngoma ya Xitsonga inga trend too much. Osam. Do you even hear anyone? Mara. Understand?
Yeah.
We don't know.
and also I don't know if you watched it. Not just saying it's I don't know if you watched the there's an episode that song doesn't have it's Mubo Jambo like that man aina meaning. Yeah, it's like aina meaning. For effect, you know, it's just like it's just a thing you know, it sounds good. It doesn't have any
like no vibe.
I'm just thinking now, Guri. I'm not saying it's like that, but I'm just thinking, what if that song, the lyrics, was created by AI?
You think, ne?
And I just thought of it.
And by then, ne? AI exposed like
only
now.
big artists knew.
I was exposed like it is now.
Yeah.
What if 6? Look,
I'm just thinking. Yeah.
No, it's a question.
I'm just.
6. Maybe the lyrics.
Before humesa Osama ne.
Yeah.
A ku ri na nkarhi a a spenda nkarhi na i John Kane or Mandama no.
Nothing but the truth.
Yeah.
clipping one va nga hi endla laha endliwanga by default ku va spendi nkarhi swin'we before nkarhi wo leha swinene yeah.
So what language is that?
Yeah, Namani Steve, but maybe it's one of African languages. we don't know.
It's just, that means go forget nika homework I say.
Yeah, I think it's one of African languages.
So mataku makali ya sound ne
Yeah.
before ni ka question lawa ko ibutisa ntsulu ka episode ya Simkhan, and I'm not sure if seeing
Yeah, I did watch.
until loko masunduka ngoma leya ya ifamily ya yisungula hi part ya xilungu
Yeah, Shlung,
so ene loko yisungula ayisunguli na instrumental hinkwayo kuva mavona kuva ka hari i intro ya straight ne loko ku ri loko famba leka swo ta sounding one you never think kuta xigaza la so this is the person under loko famba ya ntirhweni
Yeah.
why is kumbela Xitsonga na Mtsonga ne why is kumbela Xitsonga, because I thought ingoma ya Chris Brown no one ngayitivi so this Chris Brown thing in ashle magazine
Yeah,
That one,
imini ema in level is 10k
Maxhosa.
and na stoke ma yena chakuvola mhaka na click sound
Maxhosa.
ngata ku makhoza kwala because one vitana ngata ku makhoza so ne munhu la munhu asina Chris Brown okay he's really good no hayi oya wetwa swo ikwasa swivona ngata ku ngwenyele wani ngwenya so I want to know ne ku loko mi endla a song like writing ya n'wina yi ta njhani because vanhu va different kuna vanhu lavo kuna beats swi nga la and then mi twa beat leyi okay I can write something swi famba so kuna lava va ku they write and then va tshama hansi okay I think these lyrics swi nga nghena ka sound ya so and then there are those va ku fana n'wina kuma produce you know what to play, you know what to sing because swi ngopfu hina vo nghena kereke leya vatsalwana like tiva ti-chords so like loko no loko endla risimu ne I know ku 145 or 673 la nhlokweni swi ta ku ri ta famba so swi va na ku va simple nyana na swi ta ku nta ku he ha mavona so na ta n'wina how do you write a song and then say yi va the whole song loko se helerile
that's an answer. You know, I also wish go. I wish go. Like I told you, go and get as XCC. I ngarna di.
instruments
So like you being a producer, and I like later on I was like, yo, I wish.
I'm very
Antaban yo, I would have been like, ish, maybe Antaban re. Understand? So because of I didn't have that experience, ne? When we started, to create a beat and then when you start, ne, you find a bank account like. You have to invest first. So, like I said, the sound that I was consuming. So one uncopela soba ngi especially rap one anteka soba ngani lahlela kwa leswi endla tingoma but then as you grow you tend to find yourself and find your sound. So for me, because of I record myself. I record myself.
okay
So I just sit down with a laptop and then headphones and then I record myself. So at this stage, ne, it's either ngoma yantela or it's either ni experience something. Then through music, that's how I express myself. So if ever maybe experiences something bad, and then I would just sit down with because I normally they have a lot of beats that I've created before.
Okay.
I'll just pick a beat, or if I don't have the beat, I'll just create the beat for whatever that I have in head. I'll create the beat, and then I'll start saying how I feel. Be a full song. Someone at the gap, half. But I'll just chorus whatever that I feel. Okay, this resonates with me, and I believe one either sweet. Yeah, and then I would do that and I record the chorus. You know, maybe record because for me, like a song, it's more like a story. Introduction, there's pre-hook, there is introduction, then there is things like pre-hook, there is chorus, there is verses and all those things. So for me, I always create a picture in my head, or maybe a movie or story. I just create that in my head. Okay, this is how it's gonna. This is how things are. okay, this is how, okay, this is what, okay, it's fine. So this is how I'm gonna do it. That's why for me, I would never get to a point where stuck maybe
Yeah.
because the story frankly ending. But then if it's not a story or it's not gonna, so I always create a story in my head and then it's gonna okay, introduction. This is what I'm gonna say. Okay, nisukela verse and jump like a outro. Okay, outro ntabula so. Then introduction and outro. Swinganyika lesifike nsukula la shika.
Yeah,
Fill up
yeah,
again.
yeah.
So for me, it's never about unless if someone send me a beat, na Simka, he send me a beat, and then I would have to sit down and say, okay, this beat is nice. So there's no way we imbela slow. It has to be something solid. And then I would have to think then. And I'll think, and then nukumashi once then. Then I think while I'm like, while I'm thinking, I have the mic before my face. And then sometimes I will just mumble around. You understand? And find a tuning. If I find the right tuning, and then I will try to come up with words. And just think, okay. Sometimes because now, especially now, I think, okay, now TikTok, it's dominating. So I'm thinking, okay, what is it that I can sing about that resonates with me and that's gonna make the next person wants to listen or watch the video if ever they post. So whenever I'm thinking of or whatever the lyrics, I need to have the vision of the promo video that I'm gonna make for that song. Right? So for me, it's never I don't remember when last I wrote a song. I don't write. I just sit down and just speak how I feel. Because mostly I write about, when I make songs, it's about me and my surrounding. So I don't need to write if it's something that I've experienced. I just have to tell it.
Oh, so ngoma leyo ayifambi kuna munhu amla kuyami yankofumet.
No, what's the one? No, it's not.
Hey,
No,
phela
that's-
ite scratch her back.
That's it.
I'm gonna make you sweat. Hey, I love that song.
You love that song because
much.
you relate.
I don't. Hey, subiyeka me fast, hey. Hey, subiyeka me fast.
Because you relate.
No, man,
One
hey,
late,
it's too
one
crazy. The vocals. Kuna part la yung kaditimela. La mga imbela nga ku voice leyo ya.
Yeah.
I love that. That mean kulim kergen ya music so. Sila ta na hashtag hlokwe manje go ka vocal. Hey, that's one run that song. Well.
I much appreciated, man. That's why I told you some of the things they're based on personal experience. Some of the things I know how people love silly things.
Yeah.
So sometimes it's just that like as the artist we don't know how to say them. Some basula straightforward, but then because of me, I'm like there's no way that I'm gonna
Straight.
like and then maybe my son is gonna listen and be like, "Cause Papa very no, this is."
Yeah.
So I must also protect. You understand? So with that song, yeah, I know everyone wants to have that.
And na season,
That's
perfect.
also the season. We know it's winter.
Yeah.
Because I was thinking of the promo. Okay, it's winter. It's gonna make sense. You understand? Yeah. So I was like, okay, let me just do it. And I know on what other valley it's winter, they always gonna like have that thought. You know what? I wish I had someone to.
Phela ngoma leya phela. Akropa what's up? Akropa.
What promo?
La go kaditimela. Ay fam, senda audio leya. Utwa ku rilo. Akuzini. I want to make you sweat.
Yeah, it was like that.
No,
That's a good one. That
Okay, you've created a lot of songs, ne? Sure, titele tingoma loko ni check catalog ya wena. Tingoma leti nga ti humesa, na leti nga kuma ti features and all that. Tele like it's a lot of them songs. I want to know. Ka tingoma letiya hinkwato letiya. Which song means a lot to you and why?
Well, there's gonna be quite few, ne? Hey, because it's
Or let's say the most, or maybe number one.
number one.
Most all
That's still gonna be difficult. But I think I'm gonna self-criticize myself.
yeah.
Self-critic. Okay, so wabona kwenza kahle kahle nkarhi wani ku khoma hala nkarhi wani sifa I think kunami like okay, that's the gift that I have, ne? But I think nkarhi wani nami swi bayizisa nyana kansongo. Or maybe singasi contributed ku ngabi laugh again because of I was not focusing on one sound.
Okay.
I was just doing a lot of things. Like if kuna sound I know okay, I can do this. I was just doing. So there is Afro, there's trap song, ne? Kuna tiambi. Because I'll pick one from each genre.
Yeah.
Because of the mood and the situations were different. So kuna tiambi, which is a trap song. It's a trap song. Let me explain this one first. Tiambi is a trap song. So Tiambi was about I don't know if you have check Tiambi is it's about me expressing how I felt like as an orphan. So like as an orphan you grow up with a lot of like you bought a lot of things and you don't get to like share them with anyone. So because of I had music, then as I grew up, I realized like I had a lot of things that I was not sharing with anyone. And that's what so this is actually and then I want to betunya and thing. Asani or this is unsnap or this is unsnap and I didn't like that.
Yeah.
So and then I wrote that song, Yambilu, and then do I even remember the lyrics? It was like more like a dedication to my mom. Just like me saying, it's more like a letter saying how, why did you have to leave so soon and whatnot. But then it's Shangani, the Ambulance.
Yeah.
It's a very good song. So that one is very close to my heart. And then there is Kiadugurua. It's an Afrobeat type of situation. That one is important to me because of at least I got an opportunity to work with one of the biggest artists, Limpopo. Even in South Africa, I think. I don't know if you guys know it, Kiadugurua, with King Manada and
I think I know the song.
King Manada and Lendros.
Lindros.
Lendros, you know, Lendros. Yeah.
I don't know if there's a song.
That song was like that.
It language in quite.
That guy. So there's a song that I did with King Manada because I was once under like King Yana for a couple of.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then that is important to me because of that notice. So it is. Then there is Bupilo. I lost a friend. So it was just saying, there's nothing lasts forever. You understand? So I was just like also expressing myself as well. Yeah. So yeah, I think those three.
Yeah.
Those three. Then some of them I did forget, but yeah, those three I think they best describe.
What about happiness?
That's because that one is recent and because of it's about like.
Yeah.
It's about being happy. And I think that one, honestly, that one, it has to be like, it has to be in like top 5 or at least number 2, number 1. So happiness, I think happiness for the Gaza side, Gaza, I think it did the most for me. Yeah, because also it has been playing for quite some time now. It's been a while, so like I think that one it has to be the one because of like all of the songs that I've mentioned. I think play. Happiness play, and also we did shoot a video for it. So I think happiness like it has to be the leading.
When I checked, not like a TikTok, even
like
viral.
Even viral.
Mara mina nirhandza ka all your songs ni nga ri na timhaka ta genre rhandza hinkwato ne
Have you listened to all of them?
ni fambela ngopfu a hi tirheni you see ni vule loko hi nga fela hi tsongo tala ngopfu ne ku na hi tirheni man it's a nice one as well mara to tala and it shows ku munhu u great ku fika kwini and kuna swin'wana hi swi vulavulaka masiku hinkwawo la ku sometimes loko u tirha na munhu u kulukumba ne vanhu lava nga ri ku too musical they don't care ku chaya ku ri I swa mani like ngule that time nga na King Munada na Lendros fana vanhu lava kha va tiva ngopfu ne mara va nga swi tivi ku me involved la so I think it's one thing fanele ku xi endlaka Gaza ku munhu fana swi ta ku leswi belonga ka mani kumbe loyi I mani
I think sometimes let's say for example mina ni feature, let's say I'm big, you understand? Ni feature when or when feature me. Obviously, people will think ingoma ya me. Mina, it's my duty to make you know. It's my duty because people will focus on me because I'm already big. They will think, okay, Dee Roka should be ingoma ya matimba ngopfu. They won't even say kuna man. Understand? But if I introduce you to the people or got the fence that mean, then they will know. Okay, there's this guy along feature ngoma here.
Xin'wana lava ku xi tivisa before hi mahlweni swi disturba ti viewers ta hina. So for now loko mi hi vona kha hi ku so hi va hi kha hi script swi laha sweswiwani mara hi ta va advanced nkarhi wun'wani kuma ku hi va hi veki ti laptop and everything. So loko hi so a va hi ri ku humeni ka leswi endlekaka laha we are still in the moment because va tshama kha va ku
You guys are not.
loko mi yisela u tshika phone so a hi le ku joleni lawani hi lelini hi lelini so va swi tiva vanhu ku hi le kwihi so hi busy na hi busy na hi vule hansi so hi chicha ku chingeliwa ene namuntlha hi tirha under kuna content manager kwalawani xikarhi ka hina kwala ka vasela va nga la wun'we hi vona so swi endla a ri ku noting down ka timhaka ta ivi a hi tshinya so na ku na yena
swi nga endleka hi receive ti-disciplinary
letters but so la ku na hi swi tiva ku I look joleni
No, it's part of.
na swi nga mi disturb mi twa nga ri loko hlamuseni loko ni ku yenyana mi twa nga ku mara ngonyeleni va na yona wa yi ri
hlamula yona mara
yi le fonini no scripture swo va lawa so I just want to drop a word name mi byela ku yini ne xikasa is a lifestyle.
That's the name of the album.
Yeah.
I dropped an album last year, 29 May. Yeah, 10-song album. Yeah, with happiness being part of it.
Yeah. So you inspire in the project because it's a lifestyle.
Because it's a lifestyle. At that time, when I started, because I didn't think I would make, not in a bad way, in a good way. I didn't think
amaweshe na wena intengo a ri kwala va tshamba futhi vona va vule va ni nge endli xigaza swantswa munhu a tlanganyana va ri yini piano xikarhi ivi ndzi tlherile ka xigaza the next thing va ba ngoma yin'wana ya xigaza
vangunyute xipikara
xipikara the next thing vangunyute xipikara so swi ndlela leyo so swa endleka vanhu va swi endleka.
Yeah, so Xitsonga is a lifestyle, ne? I think I named that album after recording that song. Xitsonga lifestyle. So the idea behind that, ne? It's because of how I saw Xitsonga, the way the potential and the motion and how it was moving. Xitsonga actually too much. It was like and even now it's too much. We representing. What is this? So I was like, no man, if I'm gonna name this album, it has to be something it doesn't lose the touch my father's tongue and then but also it has to I have to like freaking incorporate something that's gonna be also easy for the Western people to
catch. Yes.
So Xitsonga, I know what's Xitsonga, and then it's a lifestyle. You understand who Xitsonga is a lifestyle. That means go you know magaza or Gaza, you know, you understand those things. So I was like, okay, that's one okay, man. Lifestyle yama Tsonga is like this. Na you know, the lifestyle and everything, the way. So now I was like, no man, if I can try to like put this Xitsonga thing, Xitsonga, and then also try to take this other part, the lifestyle. So I understand day to day and everything to weekend and all the thing. And then which guys is a lifestyle. I think that album, the title came about that. If I'm not wrong. Yeah.
Yeah, about the project, DJ. I am project.
Did you? No. Like if you haven't listened to the thing, it's not a problem. Have you listened to the?
I just know that song there. Yeah. Happiness.
Happiness.
I've listened to the project, and I think niyingisele last year because I've been following you. Yeah, since dropping of Maria Happiness. Because I saw people posting on my WhatsApp, posted this song. Okay, this song is good. Then I went to your profile. I checked the project. The project logo yingisela Jojo ne. Simkhanya. If you can listen to the project, because I feel like you were trying to introduce a bit of R&B, Nashkaza, yeah. If you can listen to the project.
No, and I think I have to mention this, maybe from Ileka me, but I just want to know from when. Especially mon focus on Spotify. Nfuna ngofina YouTube music.
Yeah.
But Spotify lo nimsaycha ne. Ngikateko ne. And kuma the latest one thing on Mashu.
Gaza is a lifestyle.
Soul of Gaza ne.
Yeah,
So is it Soul of Gaza?
Soul of Gaza.
Soul of Gaza kuma yo ya kuma
Yeah, ish.
Mara the other ones and mina no what is on Spotify. But like nan shouldn't get in band then Mara lo nika YouTube music. That's when I found most of the songs.
Yeah, because I had an issue. Like, thank you for touching that, ne?
Yeah.
I had an issue. I think like early March, February. I had an issue, ne, with my distributor, ne? Yeah. So when I not the problem. The one about the blocker the thing, blocker account.
Yeah.
So I have to do that. David, what we saw the music. So the one blocker, ne, it took down everything. I had like I had a lot of everything was on Spotify. Like everything was on there.
Because I was wondering,
Yeah,
a guy this big,
You know,
and then I'm gonna so
Spotify, it's very. But that Spotify these days, I remember I received an email. One of my songs sounds more like AI. In my life, I've never done a song AI. Then I replied, no, that song was never done AI. That's like
avatar
Susili. And then they, after they send the email, yeah, not the proof and all that.
then the boy.
yeah.
Miss Provanjan so fana. Msindela beat.
No, you don't send a beat.
Remember
Phela look register music. Even where you recorded the song, like you list everything.
you know tala vanhu vele kaya imagine munhu ako ni record xitangeni xa ka Makhosani. Baka Spotify va khomi ku tika okay, she gets a lifestyle, ne? Okay, mhlamule ku what it means to you, ne? From that project, initially I'm lava ku vanhu va teka a message from Gets a Lifestyle. The project like can be this song mukwana like vanhu lava catch this song.
First song is She Fell in Love with a Gaza Boy. Second is Gaza Lifestyle. 19 Problems. Yeah, there's 19 Problems, ne? Yeah, that one also. It also like because of She Gaza Lifestyle, I know the environment, Gaza or environment, entertainment, like it's always flashlights. It's like overnight, like kanwiwa, kachiniwa, and all those things, and people don't get to talk about the things that happen behind the scene, you know, the bad things that comes with, you know, that fast life, you know, that flashlight and everything. So 19 Problems, it was more like me trying to tell people, you know, nina nkinga, inkinga ninganato. Tinenja nranza botlere, you understand? Inkinga ninganato, tinenja nranza babasad. So I would say, okay, when which some of the things were based on personal experience. I know as men we tend to mango voices. So I would say like as you know, as Banu, we have to try and limit those things.
Yeah.
So we can't end problems. I'm just trying to tell people, you know, sometimes understand. But then again, for me to be in that state, it's something led to that. Said, oh, nothing king. As Baba Nuna, nothing problems. So, I don't want to get a cuckoo, but there are at least the peace in so on that song as well, I think there's a message that I feel one maybe pick up something. And number 4, it's what? It's what number 4 is what? Soft life. No, I think 99 problems. 99 problems. I think is the one with more message.
one,
Yeah, I think it's the one with more message. And happiness, Kuba, I understand that it's like everyone can relate to that.
And loko mi timhaka to loko vanhu va ri ku nweni evadakwini maxava se va vona vanhu hi ndlela yin'wana ma ta mi swi vonjhani ku ni dakwini mi loko hi ri ku nweni maxava mi ta mi swi vonjhani wa swi vona ku no ni nghena ndhawini ne before ni dakwa ne ni nga ta vasati lava nga la hinkwavo maybe 90% ne lava loko ka nga ri kahle wa kona fana ku leyi type ya mina
Yeah.
ni swa ku liya type a ya mina liya mi ku endleka yini ne liya ya mina type liya ivi ni sungula ku ne loko se no va ri kahle ne ku wa ku fambeni a na swi twa kaye se ni dakwini mi swona ekhosa mi swona
hi laha luma koko kwala
mi swo hayi ekhosa mi swo munhu na gomo ne a mi kumani na magomo n'wina mara after 3 hours ne
So randa gomo.
gomo leriya se he wrote the best thing emirini wa yena
So randa gomo.
se mi rhandza se mi swi tivi ku se mi dakwini se a yi khomani kahle so that's what I do me loko ndzi va ku loko ndzi swi vona ku se landa lahla sayiti la
Dee Roka.
ta lahla sayiti ni swi vona ku handright
Ngisho ko yini?
Intekisa ati ne.
Oh, okay. Ai, vulavula hi ku teka.
Ai unde.
Ku va tekini va foyine nsati loko se
oh se mi
va
fona
dakwini.
a ku rhandza
It happens.
Jaku mara n'wana nga hluva huku kwalano le ku vuyeni.
Phone your call.
ne so karhi loko hi siyeni ku tell a lot of things ne mara I want to know because I didn't go right matter mite simtangu they're taken down so I platform leyi vanhu va nga simtangu ta n'wi sweswiwani before
No, now
everything is sorted
now I try to move everything. I try to move everything on my YouTube channel. So it's K-Made 93. So everything is on that. Everything.
oh let's record it sile
Oh yeah, but then session zama ku re-upload everything at
no mata ani vutsara timhaka to if people want to
Yeah.
listen to music
No,
now
it's YouTube.
loko karhi loko
Yeah.
ma ha ri busy without that day can go to YouTube K-Made 93 there's everything there
Yeah, there's everything.
now I tirheni ana hi rhandza yeah
Kumbe ku mini randa ngo xigaza ni swi tivi.
kumbexani
Our ransom of house.
Happiness. Ni vula loko ni yingisela music wa
for me.
vona. Mara for me.
hayi kuna Bobby loko mi tlhela mi twa EP liya va swi visa kahle xigaza xa nandziha wa ta Bobby nga ta Bobby a ni vuli vanhu lava nga tshama na vona vuton'wini ni vula Bobby ya ngoma u yingisela ya game
Ex wangu Bobby.
Yeah.
Ukuma kwa diluma ngopfu se anga hala.
DJ a hi tleleni boy nkarhi na a hi tleleni ka swilo leswi swi nga ta endla ku K-Made va tekela nhlokweni ka xikadza
Yeah.
kumbe ka gaza I don't know cause prep leyiwani ni n'wina mi ri more involved
Hi vulavuleni hi ti collaborations. Is there like kuna collaborations leti nga ko so far ti nge le ku teni?
Yeah, I mean, I've tried to work with in like everyone.
Yeah.
Flash guys, everyone. But because of which is the honest truth, ne? And I'm not saying I'm bad or anything. I'm not
Yeah.
saying anything bad. So, guys, and if you don't have the numbers, or like music, like if you don't have the numbers, it becomes, even if you are talented or even if you are capable of
Yeah.
making a good song with someone, but if you don't have the numbers, then people tend to
yeah
Yeah,
push you on the
check.
side.
Yeah.
So yeah, so in terms of features, I've been working with a lot of I've worked with. Okay, there's a song I did for one Takaru. I did put a verse for them. Then they're gonna drop an EP soon. Then I did something with Moose as well. It's a very good gent.
Ola ku yima misa lo ne. Mila ku jono yin'wanyana ya vanhu va Mutakara yi rhandzaka.
So I did something with Moose as well.
Moose, okay.
Yeah, Moose.
It's
It's a very good gent.
Yeah,
it's a very good.
Yeah.
Then I've tried to reach out to a couple of like the yeah we do communicate, but I was some of them, and then also I was supposed to do that thing Uhume Fashion, I wanted that thing. Then was supposed to do a remix with G-Man.
Okay.
Yeah, so I've been with
G-Man and Shahisa Swiss.
yeah. We're supposed
Look, he's saying, he must have taken one.
Shayisa.
Yeah, so a good thing is that it's a good thing is that he called and he was like, yo, I like this. I came across this video of yours at that thing. Like I like the song and then and everything. Like, but I want to do a remix with you. I want to help you. He did say this. He was like, yo, I want to help you. Because of people don't like you are good, but then people are not paying attention to you. So I want to help you. Ni end a remix. Ni faka verse maker that song.
Yeah.
And then he drop his remix and then he pushes so that I can help you get the exposure.
Audience,
So he's one of the guys that I felt, yo, you know what? This happened, I think, like last month.
No, push it. Like,
Yeah,
so
I was hoping to start and then like all of these artists that you know, guys, that you wish, even the one that you mentioned on Facebook, we did have a conversation.
Okay.
And they did tell me like they're still busy. I think it's like last year or something. Some they do agree we work. But as soon as I send them the work, they disappear. I don't know.
This is a challenge.
What is Vula? Because la Vula.
And I was in the Shang no slogan China.
Ah, ni sivuri
No
ndo
problem. Or Miss Woody.
Karunga yani leswi swaku. You know, loko u hlangana na munhu loyi u swi tivaka ku ri loko xiyisa lexi u kuma audience ya mina focus yi nga shift
Well, go Bobby.
yes you understand it might be one of those things
Yeah, it
Swaku,
could
ish,
be.
I don't want to give him my audience because if he can get my audience people will start now searching you
And then it's on music.
hey now it's on one music
In the finale, it's on music. Gong.
Ano ko Dee Roka wala ko ahichai.
I say
No, I wanted before I like there's a song you mentioned it. I think it's a 3-step amapiano. Ungai enda na those guys I know them very well. Ungai enda na Breezy Beats na DJ Spide. Yeah, that's a very good song.
And then this guy, mina ngoma.
They bought too much.
Yeah. Iman.
Mina nita for ka happiness.
No way, that's the one
Yo
with the thing, with the
Ai ti batay bona ngwe.
Mga tlamta tambona na problem. Ay, kuputele ya tanan matambona.
Ai ti batay bona.
Tanan matambona. Nistigum.
need some misalan.
No, mara
Kabuka wen.
kuna le white. Yeah, min tabla ni mila. Nango suba sa tunesi ya.
Tana kama ikilewa.
Hey Mr. Chessman.
Hayi.
Show done van.
Minjani inkwenu? Chesmelo ngala papako.
Yeah. Papa ko.
Yeah, papako.
Okay.
The father.
Okay.
Papako na vele.
No. And that iti gimmicks or tine ti mitifaka ka iti gimmicks ne.
Yeah, the game A.
Yeah, ka ngoma liya ya happiness.
Oh yeah, happiness.
Yeah.
Loko yo we.
Yes.
Mina nita fo. Shini vitana papo. Neshivitana mamoya.
That's a very good song. So now when me
Yeah, I mean I do rap music.
rap music ne.
So vela like in producer lena came like most cases vela is panaswim.
Ne.
Nankari ngwalo ningise ngoma ntwa lewa mona. Ngoma le ya because angana ndebe ati hiti misalo.
Okay.
Utwele mina serious.
Nikombo before me amahle nikombo kubutisa loko swi nga vuliwa hi ngwenya ne swo vuriwa hina one day la ka Shangani gang ku bari man Kimbeda a nga na ndleve ya ti-hit u nga yi teka njhani mhaka leyo?
No, like no, it won't be personal because of that's what sometimes ku endla sokutala nkarhi wun'we swi na ku bias na you understand?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why I'm saying like na mina na ti criticize sometimes. So yeah, at least he.
And it's always good to have someone who
who's
tells you the truth.
Yeah.
Loko mi endla music. Yeah, it's always
Yeah, because I need like music vela na mina on my side.
yeah.
I got a lot of songs. Letting at Tamande ka PC.
Yeah.
He got millions of songs as well. Letting a go PC. Look, of course, mesa the track let me salo anga record. The do tinga umangi ne. Nga homa maybe not the album to fika let me say 40 albums. Yeah, serious. We can take out 40 albums since me sala sune kuimbelela. Kwala mongbusa ku ina how many gig ya drive le ngatsama na stuff. Yeah, because he does music every day. Kuma kune day like wayenda na ngoma ti 2 or 3. Like since lo mo hlela malembe la mami ti multiply ti track it ya. Yeah, ti tele ti buy. So sometimes anere una mali ata ku ri end the track. Lena nga itekeni so umzo track le hit le. Yeah.
No, case ngopfu ne Mr.
Yeah.
Kimeda.
No. Kensamina.
Insishnene. Mina nokunavelela swa kahle. I always say this to every artist later kula. Gore if you live here today, xikwemba xi xa ku katekisa music wa wena wu multiplier wu fika vanhwini va ku receive the way u wisha ku va ku receive hi kona.
Yeah.
I want you to come back here or multiply by 4 of who you are now.
I receive, my brother. I receive.
Ndava ku loko u ya vuya next time we talk about your achievements.
Yeah.
We talk about ku ri music wa wu tirha njhani. How many gigs do you do weekend? Understand?
I understand.
So I wish you the best.
Thank you.
Just before Ipala, vanhu va kuma
Facebook,
yeah,
Instagram, TikTok,
Yeah.
YouTube, Twitter. It's all K-Meda.
okay.
Yeah, K-Meda. Just search K-Meda, and then go.
Now Mr. Chessman Chova, it's the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing. Like many chess men, venom. I know go search up Papa Ko, I'm the only one.
Papa go.
Yeah.
DJ Kwai, do you have something?
No, man, no, I don't have more to say, ne? Because I go, minan randa music and then randa so pass. Like, came at the moon was so pass. Music is clean, vocals and everything. Yeah. Min come back na stako ban bagaza ba sibona ne.
Yeah.
I when magaza lesibula ku socially super vibes and I mean you can't have the biggest event gagas.
Yeah.
Ngabana came
Exactly.
because yeah kaya la kutsama music la music lo ngatsama la DJ like because whatever you want ne came can give because what came the one labo lo bangestage ne basibona kuba busy gaza ne marisandle wa ningari aitsa kusiwa hi afrobeat le yalo anga homa ne you can just say DJ ndropele in
Yes.
like akuna ku swingendleki so all I'm pleading is that let's book these guys but about tira because they're doing music because they love it mara our benefit that's my wish kuba na bambona bambuka and then vutomi byi tsakisa
DM ka ti accounts ta wena.
Yeah, I can DM and also on my thing on my profile. There's a booking email if ever there's booking details and everything. If yeah.
and logo trana na K-Med and this one thing you must know about K-Med ufane uhlayisa nkarhi yeah logo trana K-Med hlayisa nkarhi if unyikwe 1 hour na yo trana K-Med and bete ufika hi 4:13.
Remember what I said?
Ungafika 4:04 you won't find him.
Remember what I said in the the first artist
ka podcast ubuleni
the first artist ne got this podcast ingafika enkari. Your respect. Let me say your respect.
you hlonipha nkarhi
If I even yesterday ne just that yesterday I
kunezwi nga endleka ya
he said to me I will be there 1 hour before.
so yeah that was me
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
yeah ngaifa hloro